Hi guys, it's Chris. I have a couple of things that I have Ipsy. I don't know what's going on, but I got two Ipsy bags. But what was weird is the smaller bag was inside the bigger bag. So I don't know. So I'll do those last and we'll start with this. Okay. I was so disturbed by how my face, I just don't have that much trouble with my face. And I'm pretty sure that it was the Valentino. It's got a very small fragrance in it. Some fragrances I just can't use. So, yeah. Okay. I did by Moira. It's a detox pore charcoal clay mask. This is it right here. Not to be confused with that one that I had that almost ripped my nose off my face. No, this one, and it was very good. All you do is wear it for 10 minutes, wash it off, and it made a big difference. I'm still not quite right. I have some stuff here and there, but at least I know. Okay. I am using the Cinema Secrets, which I hope to God it didn't get left in the other house when we moved, because I had another whole full bottle of this. This is what I'm actually using now to clean my brushes. I finally figured out how they wanted me to do it, so it's working out good, as opposed to that one that I bought that everybody's selling now. I don't like that one at all. It doesn't get, it gets the top of the brush clean, but you can look in the bottom, say you have a foundation brush, it's going to be full of foundation. But anyway, this I'm using now. Put that over there. Okay. I tried this again. This is the Sky High by Maybelline. And at first, remember, it's because of this. I do not like these. No. However, I used it today, and I like it very much what it did to my lashes. So, it's good that I gave this a second chance. Alright, the other thing is, this is what I'm wearing today. Good Lord, I thought I had you covered. Okay. Let's see if I move over. Okay. This is a Morphe, and it is Morphe 9J. And this is it right here. I think it's really, really super pretty. But that's what's on my eyeballs today. Okay. I'm trying to go through these fast so you won't... that's the... Okay. For... what am I looking at? Oh, okay. I have these three things that I'm going to show you. One of them, of course, is the Valentino foundation. I don't know what the rules are. This is in a pump. I don't know if I am allowed to let someone have this, or you guys probably know if you could let me know, but this is one of the things that if it can find a home and someone can use it, yeah, this is yeah, this is a kind of an expensive thing. However, if someone can use it, then that's awesome. Okay, so there's the one thing. Then the other, which is this Naked dark one. Let me show you. It has not been used because my skin tone is not. Let me see if I can show you that. Let me give you a swatch. Ooh. Yeah, that doesn't. There it is. That's the color. If there's anybody, I mean, anybody that, you know, needs a concealer, this is one of the best concealers I have, and I have quite a few, but in where I get my stuff for every day, the correct color for me is in there. And then lastly, you guys, I've showed you this a couple times. I don't know what to do with it. This is a vegan formula, 12 wildly pigmented shades, and it is by, is this Urban Decay? Yes, Urban Decay. Let me show you I've had this, okay, it opens kind of strange. You open it like this, and here's, you know, the thing. So, you know, this is another one of those things. It's like, if someone wants to use this, is great. Yeah. So, I don't know. I've been trying to actually find a home for this since I bought it. I don't know what it is about it, but it just, I don't think it goes with me. Anyway, those are the things that I've got that I hope somebody will maybe want them. Okay, here's the first one. Now, I did take the little one out of the bag. Oh. Okay, now this is this is, let's see, this is different. It says, give extra love to Mother Nature, reuse me. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. It's a razor kit. Why? Well, yeah, it's a razor kit. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me see if I can get it out and show you. No, that one I'm not going to be able to take it out right now and show you, but that's what was in the big bag in this, and that is it. Other than having the other pink bag in there. Okay, so this is there. I'm gonna throw this out. Then, you know, guys, I canceled the small Ipsys a long time ago. I do not understand why I got this. Ow, ow, it stuck to me. There we go. Okay, what is this? Okay, does it say on the back? Okay, Reina Rebeldi. This is I guess it's a little, you know how you can do this and this. Reina. Anyway, this is the first thing. And here's the little, this is actually cute, I have to admit. And it says love on the end. It's always room for love. Okay, first thing. Well, wait, here's a card. Let's see what it says. Okay, it's got, of course, the people. And on the back, does this seem familiar? You know what, guys? I got another one earlier this month. I'm almost positive. Ugh, they are not, this merger that they're doing, I don't think is going too well. Okay, on the back of here, it gives you the days of a choice, the days of the flash, add-ons, and July Mega Drop Shop, and the edit. Now, they always notify you by email or text. Okay, here's the first thing. I'm sorry, I got a terrible backache. teeny tiny little hula. This is, which one did they give us? I don't know, but let's open it up and see. Oh my word! Look at this, you guys. I mean, if you, well, you could probably get it out of there. Okay, next thing. Oh no. This is by Real Her, which we've had stuff off and on. I am convinced is what it says. And on the bottom, it says setting powder. So this is a little thing of setting powder from Real Her. Feels like it's what you call it, on both sides. So I'm not going to open it. Okay, I'm sorry, my nose is running horrible. I don't know what it is. Alright, let's see what's next. We have Give Them La La Beauty, and it is black mascara. Let's see what kind of want. You guys, look. Why are they all going to that? Does anyone know? 'Cause I didn't like it. Okay, this is the last thing, and it's a tiny thing. It's from Ciate London. Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. This is it right here. And that is it. Oh, no, I forgot the FedEx package. That's it that's in the Ipsy bag. Okay. I was just in time to see the FedEx person drop this on my doorstep. Okay, this is... Hey, it kind of looks like an airplane. I should stop that. There's nobody here, or when my kids are asleep, and it's going, so I'm like, wee! Now, this is going to be one of those kind of things where I can't get it out. Oh, I have a box cutter. Yeah, someone let me have a knife. Okay. There's two things in here. We have Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona, I Need a Nude. So, let's see. There we go. She has a really just kind of plain, her initials are on it, but nothing else. This is what it is. I think you can see that because it looks like there's a brightness. Okay, so that's one thing of Natasha, and then we have, why are there dots? You see the dots? Okay. This is a Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Lip Crayon. So this one should go with the lipstick I just showed you. So we will see. This is it. It's pretty. Huh. What do you think? I think it's a perfect match. And I was just... That is actually all. I only bought the two things, and I have everything else. Seriously, if anyone is interested in this this Urban Decay palette, hasn't been used, still in, let me know. And if anyone knows if I can give this to somebody, could they let me know? I mean, I would think the pump would make it easier to give to somebody since you're not, you know. Anyway, please, please, please let me know. And then, you know, Miss Shay, I really wish I knew where you went. I went and looked in Instagram. I've gone all over trying to find you. give me a sign or something. Okay, well, anyway, if anybody has the either really tanned or just darker skin to begin with, this is ready. I think that is it. Okay, guys, every day I'm going to be reminding you, giveaway open to everyone. Well, I don't want like 2,000 people, but you guys know what I mean. I don't think there was anything I was going to add on that other than to say, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Stay safe, take care, have some fun, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.